Silky Beat.
Vivo S16 Pro just launched 2 days before. Fast refresh rate, curved AMOLED display, photochromic technology back, super slim in design, 50 megapixel selfie camera with dual LED flash, new flagship processor, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of Vivo S16 Pro, a selfie camera centric phone. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The product packaging, it continues Vivo's consistent simple design. In terms of accessories, it includes a clear water case, a card removal pin and a 66-volt power adapter and data cable. Let's unwrap the plastic of the phone and talk about the design and build. As early as last week, Vivo took the lead is unlocking the design of the Vivo S16. The main mint color restores the color and texture of the jade stone, which is impressive. If you don't emphasize it, just look at the back. I believe many people will mistakenly think that it is a piece of jade stone. Vivo S16 Pro uses a photochromic technology in the back. Not only that, mint color also adopted a new generation of photochromic technology. Under the light, the back will change from the previous green and white jade stone design to the deep emerald color. Within 10 seconds, you will see the completely different color. The camera module is also a finishing touch of the back design of the S16 Pro. In addition to the 3 circular lenses arranged vertically, on the right side we have got a ring flash. The combination of the 3 circular lenses plus same color makes the overall beauty just right and it looks quite coordinated. The Vivo S16 Pro also has an excellent grip. It is understood that the Vivo S16 Pro is equipped with the thinnest curved screen in the history of the Vivo within 2.3 mm, extremely narrow middle frame and the body thickness of 7.36 mm. The 60 degree slightly curved design brings an extremely handy grip. In terms of weight, the Vivo S16 Pro is only 182 grams, maintaining the excellent weight control of the Vivo S series as always. On the top, still the familiar collar design professional portrait mentioned on the top. On the bottom are familiar speakers, charging ports, SIM card slot and the primary microphone. On the right, we have got volume rocker and the power button. The Vivo S16 Pro uses a 6.78-inch OLED curved screen with a hole punch in the center with 388 pixel per inch density. Local peak brightness of 1300 nits, supports 1 billion colors, resolution is Full HD Plus and 120Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz touch sampling rate and the 1200Hz instant touch sampling rate. Inside the back border of the S16 Pro screen, which is only 1.75 mm, Vivo actually stuffed 2 soft lights around the front camera, one on the left and another on the right, while light with a color temperature. The front of the Vivo S16 series has been upgraded to 50 megapixel Samsung Gen 1 sensor. Autofocus motor has been added to the support, shooting up to 4K 60 frames. The main camera of the Vivo S16 Pro is 50 megapixel Sony IMX766V sensor and the whole series is equipped with the optical image stabilization as standard. Other two are 8 megapixel wide angle camera and the 2 megapixel tactical macro camera. Let's take a look at the Vivo S16 Pro rear camera samples. This time the Vivo S16 Pro is equipped with the Dimensity 8200. The Dimensity 8200 uses TSMC's 4nm fabrication process. The octa-core CPU architecture includes 3.1 GHz super core speed. At the same time, Dimensity 8200 supports UFS 3.1 flash memory and the 4-channel LPDDR5 memory. As shown in the figure above, the Antutu running score is Vivo S16 Pro got a score of 8,68,000 plus. You can also see the sequential read and write speed. You can also play high-end game with high settings. In the game Genshin Impact, the average frame rate of the Vivo S16 Pro reaches 59.6 FPS. So the performance of the phone in gaming is outstanding. Vivo S16 Pro has 4600 mAh single cell battery, supports max 66 watt charging that can charge the phone 50% in just 19 minutes. The price of the Vivo S16 Pro starts in China around 3,299 UR. If we convert it in UK pound is around 392 pound, in US dollars is around 472 US dollars. In conclusion, the design of the phone is awesome, especially photochromic technology. Display is also good. You won't get a flagship performance but get above average performance. Selfie camera is good. 4K recording in selfie camera is advantage. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. Also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.